So, hello all, Aditya Suryavanshi this side, and this time I am presenting my new project, and this project name is Agentify. So, as you can see in the recent 2-3 months, the AI agent space has been bloomed with the various research and various things have has been came out into the space. Like the model context protocol is there, A2A protocol, and other companies are related like Anthropic and other companies are releasing their agentic workflows and agentic SDKs and all these things are happening. So in this project, we focus to make open SaaS related to the AI agents, like actually a platform which will provide many AI agents for the better AI automation. So for this particular project, we have focused to make a kind of semi-autonomous agents, which will perform a certain task for specifically for the developer. Like we have integrated some of the agents like database agents, GitHub agent. After that, there is the agent which creates a Jira tickets, an agent which sends an email on a prompt, and the similar kind of clone of the bold.new. So this is the front end that we have taken. You can also take my GitHub repository and you can see the architecture and what things we have used. Basically, we use the Google Gemini as LLM, and we have provided it with the system prompt and some of the manual software related patterns, and we have make this agent possible. So this is the front end that we are targeting for this project, for this platform, and we have used the user authentication with the clerk SDK. And after that, you can see here the things which are out there. So after clicking on the get started, you will be redirected towards the page where you can select the agents which are out there. So first of all, we will just see the database agent. So let's get started with this. After clicking on the particular agent, you will be redirected to the same chatbot or same thing as the chat GPT. Like you can see, these are the previous chats which are there. You can also do the chats here. So for this, what we have done, I have hard coded one database in my system, like you can see, and it follows the particular schema. So on this particular schema, we are just doing the CRUD operation on this database with the help of that agent. Okay, so this is the database. We have provided the schema of the database, and so we are performing the CRUD operations on this particular local database with the help of our agents. So with the help of our database agent. So just let's go with the one simple chat here. And for this, what we have done, yes. So you can see that here I have hard coded it to the to-do list manager kind of thing. So it has given me the response to this. So before adding or before giving some CRUD operations, you can see there are the 26 records in the particular database. So I will just give it in the simple prompt. Hey, it is rainy outside. So I want to add one new task in my list with title making paper boats. So I have given it a prompt to add the task into my list, and so here you can see this task has been added into my to-do list. So this is the thing. So before I showed to you, there were 26 responses or there were 26 records in the particular collection that we have targeted for this agent. Now when I have given a prompt, you can see here the records has been changed to the 27, and the new thing or the new record that is making paper boats has been added to the my list. So you can this is how this agent works. And what we do also for the providing the more context of the user or more context of the user or more context of the user's memory, we have used the pincon database, pincon as a vector database, and we have created the index for the all agents that we have. You can see here there are the 4 to 5 indexes which are there. So this was the DB agent. So we have created here, you can see the new index has been added or new record has been added, vectors has been added into the thing, this pincon database. or pin converters. So after that, you can also retrieve the all the list, like retrieve my all tasks in my list. Also, we have added the voice automation, so you can just speak it out, but I am not speaking it. So you can just turn the mic on and you can just speak it out. So it will also pick up the thing we have added for it. So you can here you can see it has targeted, or it has the targeted database. So it has fetched all the 27 out of 27 records which are there, and you can see the last record that we have added. So this agent works like this. Also, you can give some complex filters to take out the data, like I am a video game freak, so give me my give me all tasks in my list which are similar to video games. So it will just fetch out the thing, like which are the tasks which are related to the video game. Sometimes it doesn't give the proper response. It has less accuracy, like 80-85%, but it can have, what you can say, it is actually a semi-autonomous agent. Like we have made a semi-autonomous agent here, uh, and with the help of the newer protocols and newer things, there will be much ease in this field. So let me just check at the back end, is everything running properly? So maybe something can be disturbed, or let's just give the a different command and it will fetch out the things. So just waiting for the response, or just I have to check the console once, but it gives. Okay, some error is there. So let's go further into the video. Okay, so sometimes it gives, sometimes it doesn't give, means the accuracy is low. So okay, that's it. So that was all about the DB agent. After that, the second agent is there. So this agent, and let me just refresh the server, so there will be no issue. So okay, and after that there is a one agent, GitHub agent. So this agent is very interesting kind of thing, because the agent, what we can say, this agent is there. So this agent specifically uses the MCP server. So I want to just walk you through the code of this agent, because this agent has some pretty means pretty good, what you can say, thing to do. So you can see there is one website which is out there. This website is smithery.ai. So if you know about the MCP, so MCP generally works on the STDIO, that is standard input output. It doesn't work as a normal server on the request response model. So basically, if you look into the MCP is model context protocol, which is generally used to provide a more context of the user's query to the particular LLM or particular thing for the agent's work. Okay, it works, kind of works as an agent's memory. So MCP, it is made by the Anthropic. So the thing is, I have used the GitHub server of this Midori and created the client manually through the code, and based upon that, LLM takes the decision which tool to call, and the client of the MCP calls the tool based upon the LLM's decision. So you can see here, first of all, I have configured this with the help of the Smithery. All these things are there. After that, I have created one transport, because MCP works on the transport. Created a new client. So after that, fetch all tools which are available on the MCP server. Then given one prompt to the LLM, so it can take the decision which tool to call based upon the user's query. Then it takes the decision. I iterate on that decision, and whenever there is a tool call, I bring the created client into the transport, and call the required tool which is out there with the help of the client, and gets the observation. The agents gets the observation, and then the response is returned to the particular user. So for this automation, I have hard coded the personal token of my GitHub account, another GitHub account, and I will just give one command. Let's see it works or not, or I will show it you. I will show this you in the cursor. So create a new repo, create a repo named new repo in Athu Warrior. I will explicitly mention Athu Warrior GitHub account. So it will just take in the backend, it will just call the tools. The vector has been added into the GitHub index. So there will be a tool call. After that, it calls to the backend of the Smithery. And you can see here the great, I have successfully created a new GitHub repository with this. So the magic, this is out there. So here you can go and here you can check it out. A new repo has been created with the help of the simple prompt. So this is how this GitHub agent works. So I have hard coded the personal token of this account. So now I can also give another prompt. So first of all, I have to kill the server first because it works on the transport. There is a something issue. You cannot uh, call the client again. So I have to manually shut down the server and again start the server. So create a new issue. So let's go create a new issue in new repo of Athu Warrior GitHub account with body issue created by a bot. Now similar kind of thing happens. Vectors will be added. There will be the function calling, and there will be the same function calling. Here you can see, here you can see it has created one issue. It has stated that the issue is created by the bot, and you can see the issue has been created. Now there is a what you can see. Here you can see the issue has been created into the directory issue from the bot, and you can see issue created by the bot. It has also created the issue. It has opened the issue into the particular repository that I have told. So another thing I will show you. So this has around 19 functions, like 19 tools which are on the written on the MCP server. But the thing was how to create a client manually through the code was the biggest what you can say obstacle kind of thing. So create a new README file. So first of all, I have to kill the transport once again, and I have to refresh the server, and create a new README file with content file created by bot. Sometimes the accuracy can be different. Let's see in which repo, new repo of Athu Warrior GitHub account. Now same thing, the vectors will be added. There will be a tool call, and means first of all what we can see. So here you can see it has also created the readme file. Now let me just check the file is created has been or not. So you can see the file is has been created and the contents of the file has been written to the that particular file. The contents has been written to the file. So this was the GitHub agent, and this was the main agent that we have targeted because it has something automation. So this was the main agent that we have created, and you can see the previous chat has been updated, and they are been added into the again into the vector db, like into the GitHub index, which has been created. So so this was the GitHub agent that we have targeted, and you can see out here. So similar kind of things are there also. Like there is a ticketing agent. You can see this is the Jira agent. So let me just first of all kill the server, and again I will in the future I will host this thing with the help of the cloud database like this. I have targeted the MongoDB Compass, so it is working in the local space. But I will in the future I will use the MongoDB Atlas or maybe the AWS EC2 instance if I got some money. So That's the thing. So you can see a Jira agent. So for this, what we have done the issue automation. So it just creates, updates, and deletes the tickets and fetch the ticket from the particular Jira project that we are targeted. So let's go and give it one, create a new Jira ticket, create a new Jira ticket with title or with summary, we can say, because the Jira tickets has summary. So but new Jira ticket. So it will just create a new ticket, and same thing will occur. The vectors has been stored, and so you can see a new ticket has been created. So you can see the new Jira ticket has been created into this. So this was the Jira ticket which is out there, Jira ticket bot which is out there, and similar kind of thing is done with the Gmail agents also. So I wanna just show to you this code debugger agents, and the Gmail agents are the same thing. Like they are appended, or they are just used to make a Gmail use for the Gmail communication and to send a new mail based upon the prompt. A Gmail agent is same, but in the Gmail agents we have written the tools manually. So there is a need to authorize, and there is a need to create a new project in the Google shell. First of all, take the credentials, then you have to pass the credential to the Gmail API version 1, then you have to authorize this thing. And for making request to the Gmail account of the user, you have to generate the access token from the refresh token. So regressively you need a refresh token from the Google OAuth playground. So that is the thing that which is not automated, that you have to generate, and you have to change the refresh token mm, in what you can say particular time. So you can write a Jenkins pipeline which will manually fetch or create a refresh token for you, and then it can rewrite the access token, and then the things can happen, but it will take a larger scope. So we have just taken it, or we have just decided it to make it manually. So after that, we have some. I want to show you this. So this is the website generator. So just give a prompt to the website. Just give a prompt, and boom. So make an e-commerce website. So it will just create a front end, and you can just see it will just create the things automatically. It will just create the config. It will just write the whole files, and just wait for some seconds. It will do. So you can see here, it has created new what you can say the code for you, config for you, as well as all things which are there. And you can also see the steps, and you can also modify the thing which is out there. You can also give a prompt to modify the things. So this is the website builder, and it just mimics the thing from the bold.new. You know the bold.new platform. So bold.new is the similar kind of thing to this. Like we have made the not exact clone, but a similar kind of thing for that. So after that, one thing was there, like we have created a simple code debugger extension for the VS Code. Like I will show you. So yep. So let's just go into the this project, and after that we have created one VS Code extension, and after that just go into the terminal, or just go into the run. Just I have to debug. I have not published it, so I have to just manually debug the console. So yes, so it has given me this, and after that I have to just start my extension. So control shift P and start bugger AI. So the name of the extension is bugger AI, and you can check it out here. I will just make the screen here. So Now just start the bugger AI is activated. So you can see here you have to select the mode first of all. So I have clicked on the code analysis mode, and now you can see now I will start to write the JavaScript code, and it will give me the runtime suggestions like you can see here, like console.log hello world. So suppose I write any different there is a different code or any different thing, so it will give me the suggestions like runtime suggestions. So you can see here I have declared one array, so it is giving me the complete code. Like you can see here, you can see the suggestions which are out there like this. So like this, we have created the whole thing and whole AI automation kind of thing. So this was the project that we have targeted. This was the Agentify, and the main agent was the GitHub agent. So to automate the GitHub related things with the help of the MCP. So that's it. Let's see what we can make next time. So yeah.